A Guide to Rational Living by Albert Ellis and Robert A. Harper. If we know how we generate negative emotions through particular thoughts, especially irrational ones, we have the secret to never being desperately unhappy again. If we want to remove the negative thinking, we have to say one thing. If we are willing to change what we habitually say to ourselves. Therefore, if we are basically the things we tell ourselves, any type of personal change requires us to first look at our internal conversation. Do they serve us or undermine us? Talk therapy aims to reveal the error in logic that people believe to be true. If, for instance, we are having terrible feeling of anxiety or fear, we are asked to track back to the original thoughts in the sequence of thoughts that led to our current anxiety. We can only live up to our internal statements, whether they make something good, bad, or neutral. Permanent change required them to actually change their thinking so that they could talk themselves out of persistent negative feelings whenever they surface.